What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Hammer Dance YouTube channel. What if I told you guys that one of the best keyboards that I have ever used, I got on Amazon for under $50? Yep, that's right, guys. So I'm going to talk to you today about the Royal Kludge. I'm pretty sure this is just like, I've never heard of Royal Kludge before in my life. I'm pretty sure it's like a no-name brand, but on a whim, I had purchased this keyboard for my second rig out in my living room just to do some work on and stuff like that. It's the Royal Kludge RK61. It is a really nice keyboard. It has wireless capabilities. We have a little USB dongle right here. You can see I took some nice B-roll, so I'm gonna roll some B-roll for you guys in this while I'm talking about it. But I picked up the brown switch version, and I will have a link to this down in the description below this video. But yeah, 50 bucks for this keyboard. It's a nice, super compact keyboard, but it has that like really sturdy build quality feel. I've been using Duckies and Varmillos probably for the last, I would say 5 years maybe. And this keyboard at a $50 price point rivals my Ducky 1-2 Mini, which was my favorite keyboard to date. It might still be because the RGB on it is just a little bit higher quality, but the lighting on this keyboard is great as well. But I just wanted to make this video and let you guys know that if you're on a budget and you need a nice compact keyboard for gaming or whatever it is, or streaming or whatever you're doing, this Royal Kludge is actually pretty nice. This video is not sponsored. They didn't reach out to me. I'm making this simply because I think I found a hidden gem here on Amazon, and I wanted to let you guys know that it is definitely worth it. I mean, look at this thing, dude. See how thick that thing is, dude? The back, super thick. Really, really nice key press sounds here. I'll give you some on the microphone. This is the brown switch version. Spacebar. Super solid key presses, very, very responsive, no input lag whatsoever. And what's pretty cool about it is you can use this keyboard with your Xbox or PlayStation if you're trying to use keyboard and mouse and you want to sit on your couch and game. Like I said, you could plug in that dongle and throw it into wireless mode. I tested out wireless versus wired, and there is literally no input latency time difference at all between wireless and wired, which is another thing. This is the first time I ever tested out a wired keyboard, a wireless keyboard, sorry, and I figured there would be some sort of input delay, but there isn't. And as you can see here, it's powered, if you're going to use wired, it is USB-C right there, and they provide the cable, which is pretty nice as well. Super compact, like I said, so you have your F keys tied in at the top. Using the function key, you can activate those. You do have arrow keys down here at the bottom that you can use with the function key as well. Get that focus so you can see it right there. So you do have arrow keys if you're trying to play a game like that. And what's pretty cool about it is, you know, most keyboards, you're going to have to hold the function key to use those options. On this keyboard, if you do hit the function key and enter, it'll put it into a different mode, right? So normally if you hit 1, 2, 3, 4, it'll type 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, if you hold shift, it'll type exclamation point, @ number sign, $sign. If you hold function and hit enter, it switches the mode of the keyboard, and it will change that top row from 1, 2, 3, 4 to F1, F2, F3, F4. Same goes with the arrow keys down here. So if you hit the function key and enter, it'll switch it into a mode where these keys right here operate as just arrow keys, which is pretty cool. So you don't have to physically hold down the function key to get the arrow key functionality, which is awesome. If you hit the function key and \, you can switch through tons of different lighting cycle modes. It isn't RGB colored. It's just this light blue color, which is actually pretty nice. I like it. It goes really well with the white. It looks very like Arctic and icy. So I do like it, but there is like, I was counting, I think 18 to 20 different lighting cycles that you can go through. Obviously you can do like key press cycles, where if you hit a key, it'll shoot light across that row or across the whole keyboard. You can have it on, you could have it breathing, you could have it cycling, basically a million different options there. And then obviously the brackets you can use to lower the brightness, raise the brightness, and things like that. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video and let you guys know that if you're on a budget and you need a new keyboard and you're a fan of compact keyboards like me, this would definitely be your go-to. It's super cheap. I really do think it's a hidden gem on Amazon. I will drop a link to that in the description below if you guys want to check it out. If you purchase it with my link, I do get a piece of that commission as well, so I really appreciate the support. But yeah, guys, I bought actually 2 of these because after I found out that I liked it so much, I was like, you know what, for 50 bucks, I'm going to pick up another one just to have a spare. It's such a nice keyboard. It really is. So little, so nice. Just a super, super hidden gem that I honestly, like, you see these like $50 keyboards on Amazon all the time, and I used to buy them for work all the time, and I used a lot of really bad ones, but this one actually stood out. I've been using it ever since. I actually had it plugged in instead of my Ducky because I like the way the key presses feel on it. My Ducky is a brown switch as well, but I think you can get this in blue, brown, and red if I'm not mistaken, but I'm a fan of brown switch. It's like a nice middle ground between blue and red. Pretty, not super clicky, but you do feel the key presses. They feel pretty solid, and I like to know, you know, when I hit a key. So yeah, guys, that's really all I had to say about this. I just wanted to make this video and let you guys know that if you're on a budget and you need to pick up a keyboard that's fairly cheap, definitely check out the Royal Kludge. This keyboard is super nice. Comes in white and black. I'm a big fan of it, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone out there trying to buy a keyboard on a budget of $50 or less. But that's all from me, guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. It really does help me out. And subscribe to the channel and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss the next time I post a video. And if you want to hang out with me live, I stream on Twitch Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern time. At this point in time, I will drop a link to my Twitch down below in the description. It's twitch.tv/hammerdance. Definitely follow me on there if you want to come hang out live. We play some games and do a bunch of fun stuff on there. But anyways, guys, that's all from me. I want you to keep those hammers up, and I'll see you next time.